Elon Musk just revealed the most crazy Tesla NFT. Look around you. Can you feel the chaos in the digital world? Money is flying in the air and cryptos and NFTs are responsible for that. Web 3.0, Metaverse, cryptocurrency and NFTs are providing a plethora of opportunities to become rich. I bet you aren't someone who'd like to sit idle and watch others become rich. Then stay tuned till the end of the video as we're going to tell you everything about the speculation that Elon Musk just revealed about the most crazy Tesla NFT. Hello everyone, welcome to Elon Musk Newest. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update on the new things we bring for you regarding the tech magnate Elon Musk and his wild endeavors. That being said, let's begin. Tesla CEO and SpaceX founder Elon Musk is known for his internet-brained antics apart from regularly sending rockets and other spacecraft into orbit and fathering a kid with Canadian artist and producer Grimes. He's also an avid Bitcoin and Dogecoin investor. Given Musk's track record, it's no surprise that the billionaire announced on Twitter that he'd be selling one of his tweets as an NFT, or non-fungible token. But hey, don't be that excited as Musk is basically taking no risk by getting involved in the emerging field of NFTs, although he is already the world's wealthiest man. Many celebrities that you guys like have already entered and aced the game of NFTs. Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey made news last week when he announced that his first tweet will be sold as an NFT. However, just because Musk is free to experiment does not guarantee his presence in the NFT realm will be good to other artists seeking to break into the field. As usual, the NFT sale appears to be solely for Musk's amusement. However, Musk's tweets have recently grown increasingly focused on cryptocurrencies, with more than 72 million Twitter followers paying attention to his every crazy idea. Musk enjoys stirring up the Dogecoin community and partaking in popular Bitcoin memes. However, his most recent tweet focused on the burgeoning subject of crypto art and non-fungible tokens. When Musk posted a photo of a guy being counseled by a therapist and wondered if NFTs were present in the room, he appeared to imply that NFT buyers are hallucinating. Ouch, that burns. Musk's jab at NFT consumers comes after digital artist Mike Winkelmann or Beeple presented a podcast with host Joe Rogan with a Musk NFT. A YouTube video of the episode shows Beeple giving Rogan a white container with an actual NFT artwork showing Musk dressed as the Hulk and walking the Dogecoin mascot. Beeple's spring collection was published this year and the NFT was part of it. Musk's clash with the NFT world doesn't stop here. In response to a tweet by Dogecoin co-founder Billy Marcus about the prevalence of frauds in the cryptocurrency market, Musk slammed NFTs claiming they are JPEGing the dollar. Musk has also insulted Web 3.0 proponents by posting a joke on Twitter. He shared a 3-panel version of the well-known urinal etiquette cartoon. Hey, the people who are extremely fond of NFTs, don't be upset yet. Mr. Musk has not finished his roast. Recently, Twitter announced that NFT profile photos are now available. The tool connects users' Twitter accounts to crypto wallets, where they store their NFT holdings, but it's only available to Twitter Blue members on iOS. Musk stated, "This is irritating," after posting a screenshot of Twitter's new functionality and then went on to criticize crypto-related spam by saying, "While crypto fraudsters have a spam bot block party in every post, Twitter spends engineering resources on this nonsense." NFT profile images are shown as hexagons on Twitter, which distinguishes them from the conventional circles available to other users. When you tap on the images, information about the art and who owns it appears. Twitter, like other internet businesses, is scrambling to capitalize on crypto developments such as NFTs. Musk has already expressed his support for blockchain technology, but he has also expressed his unhappiness with it. Elon's recent criticism of Twitter's NFT move was most likely prompted by the rise of crypto giveaway scams perpetrated by persons impersonating Tesla CEO Elon Musk and other well-known figures. In 2018, Twitter had to ban unverified profiles that changed their names to Elon Musk. Regardless of Elon Musk's interest in the NFT world, NFT sales hit $25 billion in 2021. However, there were signs of growth slowing near the end of the year. If you recall that he is the CEO of Tesla, his condemnation of NFTs and other crypto-related technology should come as no surprise. Tesla stopped selling vehicles through Bitcoin in May 2021, citing climate change concerns. Elon Musk's announcement that Tesla will accept Bitcoin as payment sparked a surge in Bitcoin's value and the adoration of its fanatical followers. But things didn't take a long time to turn around. Elon wrote, "We are concerned about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has the worst emission of any fuel. Cryptocurrency is a good idea, but this cannot come at great cost to the environment. Furious and disillusioned, admirers accused their former idol of treason in the chat rooms when the price decreased owing to Musk's revelation. A move that was hailed as proof that Bitcoin was on the rise ended up exposing how volatile and plain flaky the whole cryptocurrency market, including NFTs, can be. Whoa, it seems Elon Musk is pretty much against the NFT business. But don't be disappointed, Elon is quite an unpredictable person. He got linked with NFTs several times. Musk shared an original music video about NFTs on Twitter, including visuals of a gold trophy emblazoned with the luminous words NFT, as well as Vanity Trophy, Never Sleep, Compute, and HODL, along with the images of dogs, diamond hands, and the moon. Many of the same phrases appear in the pounding electronic music, including the lyrics. Along with the video, Musk tweeted, "I'm selling this song about NFTs as an NFT." With that, bidding on valuables by cent began. It's the same NFT marketplace where former Twitter CEO and Bitcoin lover Jack Dorsey started auctioning off his very first tweet for charity. A high bid, a $1.121 million, had already been reached, but Mr. Unpredictable Elon Musk then tweeted that he had changed his mind about selling it. He tweeted, "Actually, doesn't feel quite right selling this. We'll pass." Though Elon is quite off in the NFT business, his live-in partner is not like that. Grimes, a singer and artist who was dating Musk, sold some of her animations for more than $6 million on a website called Nifty Gateway. Now you seem excited, but there's more to come. Elon Musk is well known for his fondness for memes. He routinely retweets them to his 72 million Twitter followers. Others have benefited from Musk's behavior, including self-proclaimed hobby artist Eva Balin, who dislikes Musk's reposting since he frequently fails to acknowledge the original meme producers. Balin's meme, called Love in the Time of Web3, shows a cartoon couple savoring the current Bitcoin and Ether values, which are $69,000 and $4,200 respectively. While the price of Bitcoin has not yet reached $69,000, the figures are a clear reference to meme culture. Following Musk's post, Love in the Time of Web3 received a lot of attention. Balin placed it as an NFT on the Zora marketplace that night, and it sold it to an unknown bidder 2 days later for 5 wrapped Ether, or roughly $19,800. Wow, that's a lot. Lucky Eva. There's another one. Autographia, a company that sells real autographed items, has partnered with HODL Tokens' HODL Diamond Marketplace to provide a one-of-a-kind signed Model X, which has the tech and automotive entrepreneur's signature in blue ink on the car's trunk. The toy is coated in Tesla's trademark shade of white, and it's very accurate, with features like working rear gull-wing doors. You'll be able to possess the digital NFT of this model's existence, as well as unique video proof of the genuine toy vehicle being signed by Musk and a Beckett letter of authenticity that certifies this autographed piece of memorabilia as the real thing, in addition to the physical copy of the toy car. Whether Elon likes it or not, Elon's dog has already entered the NFT world. No, not the actual animal. There's a story about that. A new set of non-fungible tokens dedicated to Tesla CEO Elon Musk has appeared in the crypto realm. Dogs of Elon is the title of this NFT series. This series includes 10,000 distinct, dog-inspired NFTs, with many canine possibilities for consumers to pick from. A website with extensive information about the NFT series has also been launched. Despite all of these, will Elon still remain reluctant to NFTs? Probably not. There's a rumor that in the coming days, Elon Musk is going to bring another earthquake in the digital world. He's going to launch a Tesla NFT very soon. Bursting with excitement? You should be. Anyway, what do you guys think about this? Let us know in the comments down below. That's all for today, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, peace.